Hey everyone, in this video we will learn the Quicken Classic budget tutorial. Quicken Classic is a personal finance management tool that helps you track your income, expenses, savings, and overall financial health. It's especially popular among individuals who want a desktop-based solution for managing their money without relying entirely on online platforms. With Quicken Classic, you can create budgets, view financial trends, track bill payments, and plan for future goals all from your computer. To get started, install Quicken Classic on your Windows or Mac computer. After launching the application, you'll be prompted to either create a new file or open an existing one. If you're new to Quicken, choose to start a new file and give it a name. This file will store all your financial data locally. Next, begin by adding your financial accounts. You can link bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, and loans by searching for your bank and entering your login credentials. If you prefer not to connect online, you can manually enter your account balances and transactions. Once your accounts are set up, Quicken will automatically categorize and download recent transactions if connected. Now it's time to build your budget. Go to the Planning tab and select Budget. Quicken Classic allows you to create monthly budget by analyzing your past spending and help you allocate funds to different categories like groceries, rent, utilities, entertainment, transportations, and more. You can edit these categories, set spending limits, and add custom ones based on your lifestyle. As you use Quicken, it automatically tracks your spending against your budget. You'll see color-coded indicators showing if you're under or over budget for each category. You can also break down spending by day, week, or months to see your money is going in real time. Quicken also provides scheduled bill reminders. Under the Bills and Income section, you can add recurring bills like rent, subscriptions, and loan payments. You get alerts before they're due, helping you avoid late fees and missed payments. Another helpful feature is Quicken's cash flow projection. It uses upcoming bills and income to estimate your account balances in the future, so you can plan ahead and avoid overdrafts. You can also create financial goals like saving for a vacation or paying off a loan, and Quicken will help you track your progress. The program includes detailed reports and charts. You can generate spending reports, income versus expenses, net worth history, and more. This visual help you understand trends in your finances and make smarter money decisions. Everything in Quicken is customizable. You can tag transactions, split expenses across multiple categories, and even assign transactions to different family members if you're managing a household budget. Quicken allows you to back up your data manually or automatically to ensure your financial records are safe. Quicken Classic also allows users to create multiple budgets within the same data file, which is useful if you want to manage different financial plans, for example, a household budget and a side business budget, without mixing them up. You can switch between budgets easily and compare performance across them. A powerful but often overlooked feature is actual versus average spending reports, where Quicken calculates your average spending over time in each category and compares it to your actual current month's spending. This helps you spot unusual expenses or identify areas where costs are rising slowly over time. Another feature is the Savings Goals tool. This allows you to assign money from your accounts towards specific goals, like saving for a new car or building an emergency fund without removing the money from your account. It acts as a virtual envelope, showing your progress without affecting your account's balance. You can also pause or adjust goals anytime. Quicken Classic supports custom reminders with notes, so for each bill or income reminder, you can write comments like confirmation numbers, notes on partial payments, or anything to remember later. This can help you stay organized, especially if you have variable bills or shared expenses. In terms of tax planning, Quicken includes a built-in tax planner that estimates your tax liability based on your income and deductible expenses. You can tag transactions with tax categories, like medical expenses or donations, and Quicken will organize them for easy tax preparation, especially useful if you itemize deduction. This software also lets you reconcile your accounts manually, meaning you can match your bank statements with the transactions recorded in Quicken to ensure everything is accurate. This is useful for identifying errors, duplicate charges, or missing entries. For users managing multiple income streams, Quicken allows projected income tracking. You can set expected payments like freelance work or rental income and compare them against your actual earnings, making it easier to handle irregular income. If you're concerned about privacy, Quicken Classic offers password protection for your files and local-only data storage. Your information isn't stored in the cloud unless you opt into syncing or backing up online. Also, Quicken has feature to track cash spending manually, which helps when you pay with physical cash. You can enter cash withdrawals and then assign these amounts to specific categories like coffee, parking, or small purchases, keeping your budget fully accurate even if you're not using cards. Quicken Classic has a mobile companion app that syncs with your desktop so you can track spending, check your budget status, and log transactions on the go even if you're traveling or away from your main computer. Quicken Classic gives you the ability to archive old budget years. This helps keep your current file clean and fast, while still allowing you to reference previous years if needed. Archiving doesn't delete your past data, it just moves it out of the main view, which is helpful for long-term users who have years of budget history. There's also a rollover feature for budget categories. If you underspend in a category like groceries in 1 month, Quicken can automatically roll the leftover amount into the next month. This is especially useful for categories like fuel or dining out, where expenses may vary month to month. You can enable or disable rollover for each category individually. Quicken also includes goal-based tracking for debt payoff. You can set up a goal for paying off a loan or credit card, and Quicken will project how long it will take based on your payment amount, interest rate, and balance. It shows you the total interest saved if you increase your payments, which can be a motivating visual. Another hidden gem is the spending cloud feature, which visually highlights where your money is going by category in a word cloud style. The bigger the word, the more you're spending there. It's a quick way to get insights without digging through numbers. For joint household budgeting, Quicken allows you to tag transactions by person. So you can mark one expenses as Alex and another as Taylor, helping you analyze who is spending what and where to adjust. It's a great tool for couple, roommates, or even family budget discussions. There's also a what-if analysis tool in some versions of Quicken Classic. This allows you to run scenarios like what if my rent increases or what if I get raised to see how it affects your monthly and annual budget without changing your main plan. This feature is useful for planning big life changes or preparing for certain income situations. Additionally, Quicken lets you track business and rental income with the same platform. If you're self-employed or manage property, you can set up categories and tag to monitor income and expenses related to your work, all while keeping it separate from your personal budget. You can also use the budget snapshot feature to generate a printable, summarized view of your monthly budget. This is helpful for sharing with a partner, keeping a physical copy for accountability, or reviewing offline. Quicken includes bill detection from connected accounts. If you sync your bank or credit card, Quicken can scan for recurring charges like subscriptions, utility bills, and memberships. It'll notify you with amounts change or when a bill is due, reducing surprises. Quicken Classic allows you to sync your budget to your mobile app, which means you can check your spending, adjust your categories, and stay on top of your finances while on the go. The mobile version is streamlined for quick access, letting you view transactions, approve downloads, and even edit your budget from anywhere. It also supports scheduled transactions with budget forecasting. If you have a paycheck that hits every 2 weeks or bills that go out monthly, you can schedule them to appear automatically. These scheduled transactions are factored into your projected balances, helping you see how much money you'll have in the coming weeks or months before the money actually moves. Another unique feature is the custom budget reports. You can generate printable or exportable reports that compare actual spending against your budget, broken down by category, time period, or tax. This is ideal for end-of-month reviews or if you're working with a financial advisor. For those who like detail, Quicken Classic gives you access to category-level transaction history directly from the budget. Clicking on any budget line item instantly brings up every transaction contributing to that amount, making it easy to audit your spending and identify errors. There's also an option to exclude certain accounts from the budget. For example, if you have a savings account you don't want to include in your monthly budget calculations, you can exclude it so that only your regular checking and spending accounts are factored in. If you manage multiple budgets, say one for personal and one for side business, Quicken allows multiple budget setups within one file. You can switch between budgets without starting over or creating a separate file, which is a huge time saver. Another tool is trend tracking over time. You can view how your budget and spending have evolved month by month, with charts that show whether you're improving or overspending. This visual trend helps build better habits and long-term planning. Lastly, Quicken Classic has customizable alerts and notifications. You can set up alerts for when you exceed a budget, when your account balance drops below a certain amount, or when a large transaction occurs. This helps you stay ahead of financial trouble and catch errors early. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.